Menteri Ketenat Pule Puthi Rakkam Sangma Loong ba ke Jingbishar biang ya ki Max Kadei ke bajule Barabor pat kamdei ke bapela hadir mapha bishar biang haba kamhun ya ke jingyo Max ha ke examin bala penyai da ke embos bat hadien bala bishar kala yo rung sindon ha ke top 10 Rakkam Loong ba haman la keyboard watla ke long ha ki central board ru ke judon ke Jingbishar biang ya ki Max haba ki kena pule kimhun ya ke ba kiyo la tu ba mentau snem ki don ke basis pangus ki kena ki bala pha bishar biang ya ki Max ba ki layo ba banle ya kene don kamru bansiu ke balong ha ke dor ke baduna ba.
This issue is come up only this time because one of the candidate was in the top list was the issue here. But it's a natural process. Every year, every board across the country, every state board, be it a CBEC, ICSC, AIC, and the state board, every state board used to give this opportunity for re-evaluation, for photocopy of the answer script and all. So this is what the boss also did the same thing. Normal process, natural and normal process. So we should, students and parents should thank Meghalaya School Education for giving this opportunity. If I'm confident, I can always apply for re-evaluation, recheck of my answer script. This is what is happening, and this happened also. This time, about 100 plus, about almost close to 100, they have applied for photocopy and re-evaluation of their answer script for the Meghalaya School. And certain and 8 students in science stream and 4 students in commerce stream, their marks a little change here and there. This is what happened. It's a natural process. It happened everywhere. But this is a natural process. If any to be bring them up, definitely we are going to do. But this is this is natural process. But when we apply for re-evaluation, always there is a change of marks. Some will be decreased, some will be increased. A natural process. But the emphasis that did the natural process and the same normal process. Some minimum fees have been fixed by Meghalaya School Education. I mean, within certain limit, maybe within 1 month, 2 months time, they have to apply for re evaluation and rechecking the papers.